Hi guys, it's June song of the month, and oh my god, just like what, like it's like the end already, like bro, like I've done a whole year of this. Might have new things, but I don't know, see how, but I don't think it'll be my last song of the month. Probably just keep going with this because goal of the month is done. So yeah, okay. June there is a lot of like new good songs, so I'm gonna sing like Weki Meki's Oopsy and their B-side Paradise. Alright. Then I'm gonna sing Sonya's Pantonmime, which is their B-side also. Yeah, and Aizuan's Merry-Go-Round, which is also the B-side in the Japanese version. And last but not least, I will do CLC's, Jang's Barbie. I don't know, I just love it. Like I watched Google and I'm like, oh my god. So without further ado, let's go. If it plays. Oh my, it doesn't play. Okay, it does. Turn on the light, and we could be like, you ready? Mama, oopsie, oopsie, yeah. How do I say bun? Oh, 아니야 번져 끝에 문득 네 생각이 날 멈춘 난 내겐 몰라. No, no, no. 감정이 롤러코스터 그 안에 갇혀지라 줄래. 나 변장에 셀 수 없이 모른 척했던 서툰 네 표현이 신경 쓰여. 난 슬슬 변하는 네 마음 어린 퀴즈 한번 저는 더 뒤로 솔직히 나도 날 모르는 걸 좋진 않지만 아직은 곤란해. 없이 나나 어쩌지 없이 천천히 해 무신 건 가나 한마디에 여던진 내 심장 소리엔 비밀로 가죽해줄게. 자꾸만 웃이 네 맘을 can you see. 난 몰래 없이 네 맘을 can you see. Yeah. 뭘까 봄에 나눠도 쉽지는 않은데 왜 약간 시간이 필요한 너는 이정이 말투와 맘에는 없는 너희들 이해해줘. 하나 더 말로치면 너의 그 표현 대담하고 조급적인 내 스타일이야. 너만 보면 빨개지는 빨간 내 뒤였는데 내가 뭐든 할줄 몰라. 참 슬슬 봐봐는 네 마음 아니 근데 한 발자만 더 뒤로 솔직히 나도 날 모르는 걸 쉽진 않지만 아직은 곤란해. 없이 나나 어쩌지 없이 천천히 해 무시고 가나 한마디에 여던진 내 심장 소리엔 비밀로 가득해줄게. 자꾸만 없이 네 맘을 can you see. 내 말에 웃이 내 맘을 can you see. 아슬아슬해 알지 말 듯해 우리 사이서 가깝고 만나기 힘든 그 경계가. Turn on the light and we could be 곤란해. 없이 나나 어쩌지 없이 천천히 해 무시고 가나 한마디에 여던진 내 심장 소리에 비밀로 가득해줄게. 자꾸만 없이 네 맘을 can you see. 난 몰라 없이 네 맘을 can you see. Turn on the light and we could be like, hey boy, that's Oopsy. Alright, next let's go to Paradise, the Paradise. This is actually very good. This one is actually very nice. Yeah, like I like this a lot. Like out of the whole album. 하나 없는 더 하늘 속에서는 길이 바라나봐. 어딜 가는지 몰라. 왜 날 감고서 또 run away 멀리 날아가. 무서워 네 향기에 취해 눈을 감아 너처럼 날 비워줘 You're my flower, flower yeah 나의 paradise the paradise 눈부시던 순간 순간 너가 paradise the paradise 깨고 싶지 않은 달콤한 scene 어둠에 가려와 아직은 저 어두운 걸 내게 신비로운 빛으로 물들여줘 수많은 밤이 지나고 포근하게 온 날 감싸는 내게로 빛을 흘러내려가 포근한 바람처럼 네가 내게 불어와 따스히 날 감싸와 네 향기에 취해 눈을 감아 너처럼 날 비워줘 You're my flower, flower 나의 paradise the paradise 눈부시던 순간 순간 너가 paradise the paradise 깨고 싶지 않은 달콤한 scene 서둘러야 어디서도 느껴내는 숨쉬게 해 너에게 빠져들어 하긴 그리 귀여워 우리 함께 paradise 같이 있는 paradise 내게 좀 더 다가와 너와 나의 paradise the paradise 눈부시던 순간 순간 너가 paradise the paradise 깨고 싶지 않은 달콤한 scene Boy, that's the paradise. Okay, I just learned it so like okay, it sounds quite shit, but I hope it's okay. Okay, next is Pantonmime. Here. 신비로운 가려졌던 비밀 장막 그 너머로 얼어붙은 두 그림자 더 위에 저오른 도시님 배우 우리 트래퍼 지금 그거 뭔지 알고 말고 지겨운 거가 감당이 안 되고 오늘 같은 느낌이 자꾸 날 불러 내게 엉겨 같은 시간 상황을 기다리지 맘을 비라고 지금 두 눈이 감아 하루를 달려오는 두 입술이 닿는 순간 숨어준 틈틈여 우주가 all stop 찰나의 무언가기 전 사랑의 클라이맥스 춤추는 손끝선 우리의 저 ensemble like pantomime like pantomime like pantomime 소리가 쏟아진 highlight like pantomime like pantomime like pantomime 넌 나의 짜릿한 첫 kiss 어떤 영원한 따사로도 못 채워 어떤 달콤한 노래로도 메워 저녁에 말할 수는 완벽한 scene 용기만을 녹여 나는 에이컨 누구도 우리 말리지 못해 그래서 이런 비교 못해 마음이 익으니까 너란 다른 주문에 이끌려 바라가 밀려올 때 거슬러 없는 곳에 감정이 물겨 와르르 쏟아지는 두 마음이 만난 순간 숨어줄 듯하면 우주가 all stop 찰나의 무언가기 전 사랑의 클라이맥스 춤추는 속면서 우리의 저 ensemble 진공에서 안에 멈춰있어 아무런 소리도 없어 환상에서 안에 갇혀있어 잠시만 새로운 주 숨어진 틈면 Pause 무대 위도 그림자 우리만 주인공이 된 background 절대 없을 거야 우리 슬픈 에필로그 Pause 위에 그림자 우리만 주인공이 된 background 절대 없을 거야 우리 슬픈 에필로그 like pantomime like pantomime like pantomime 설가스 나는 highlight like pantomime like pantomime like pantomime 난 kiss. Wow, I just learned it also. Like I have been like blasting this song like forever, and like Anyway, I forgot that I actually forgot to like add in another song. It's called Ordinary Girls by Nature, and I think it's a really good song. So I'm gonna add in here. Yeah, just in case I forget, I'm just gonna add in here. No, if you don't know Nature. Nature is a 9-member group with like a lot of like member changes, but all is good. You know, like they're doing well, I guess, but like I know like not a lot of people know them, but still do check out their songs. Their songs are quite tasteful. I'll say tasteful, cause I really like their songs. Yeah, especially like this especially this time around, they actually went like bomb. Girls, let's go. Baby 오늘 밤 이 마지막 이거라면 사랑이 원해 유지해도 받아줄 수 없니 기다림과 이 집착이 네가 만든 거라고 더 미워할 마음조차 가져본 적 없어서 새하얀 나를 제발 갈 건너지 말아줘 순진했던 난 사랑 앞에 어린 어린 난 사랑 앞에 어린 사랑은 really make me silly 내 모습 숨어줘 내 모습 숨어줘 내 맘은 really hot like chili 내게서 유지해줘 난 사랑 앞에 어린 사랑한단 그 한마디 다시 듣고 싶어서 또다시 난 오늘 밤을 혼자 울고 있겠지 새하얀 나를 제발 갈 건너지 말아줘 순진했던 난 사랑 앞에 어린 난 사랑 앞에 어린 사랑 앞에 어린 나 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 사랑 앞에 어린 난 사랑 앞에 어린 silly, silly. Never sit with water, never sit with water. Never been really, really hot like chili, chili. Like you saw it, you had shot and said it. Amazing song, like, mwah, amazing. Okay. Anyway, yeah, merry-go-round Japanese version. I just learned it also. Haha. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna sing this, but like, I'm gonna try. Is it very hard? Is it? I think it's doable lah, huh? Like, I guess. Always gonna try. I like how Hitomi wrote this song. It's amazing. It's a really good song. Like, consider how she wrote the lyrics for it. ずっと眠ってたあなたへのこの気持ち窓を開ければ暖かい泡のようにさすがに舞い込んで目を覚ましたのあなたのその瞳まっすぐだからステップを踏むそっと優しくメリーゴーラウンドみたい私のもう回り続けるただ dream oh sweet dream そのまま見つめている星の愛お願い歩めをさないで merry go round 私を見せてくれて baby with you 桃色のその丸すべてがいたずらに舞い込んで My dreams 目を覚ましたの I'm feeling so new あなたのその瞳やっとのまっすぐだからステップを踏むそっと優しく Merry go round みたい私の想いを so round around 回り続ける何も気づかれずにあなただけに Only for you 見せたいものがあるもある朝は夢の中ステップを踏むそっと優しくリズムに合わせて時を刻むように夜のあなたを二人買ってくおるでしょう家に約束しよしのあげてる Dreams come true夢は回る merry go round Bro, I messed that up. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I messed that up. I'm so sorry. Does it sound okay? I don't know. It might sound okay, no idea. But I hope it doesn't suck. Anyway, the last song is Barbie. It's not I'm a Barbie girl. Okay, it's not that. Okay, it's by Jang, who is on Good Girl, and she went against Mami song, which is Mad Clown, if you know. Yeah. So this song is a bop actually. Like fuck, like she recorded it in like what, like a week, 2 weeks. Like girl knows what she wants to do, man. Like, I'll see you. Oh yeah. Ooh, I want it real so bad. 누가 뭐라든지 I don't care. 네 표현은 아름다운 밤에 숨겨 no face. 내 끝말이 너무했던 변명은 됐어. Now it's time for me to go home. 내게 허락된 시간은 더는 없다고. Stop. 내게 나가지마. 내가 수요하지마 말잖아 거짓말 잃어버릴 못하는 말에 넘어가지는 않아 Barbie 재미없어 난 집에 갈래 아침부터 난 신데렐라 안녕 bye 전화는 있는 미워에겐 그 말이 미워 뻔한 순수한 나의 머리가 만세 어둠은 싫어 달콤한 말로는 너에게 맞추려 해 안에 인형 노래 No I wanna have a Barbie, 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 Barbie But baby ain't no Barbie, 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 Barbie I'm on the greedy Oh Barbie, 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 Barbie I know I look so Barbie, 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 Barbie I'm on the 아침부터 밤까지 머리부터 발까지 마시는 건 날 위한 건 I want it all 알잖아 짙은 건 아닌 척 힘든 건 You know you want never go 나처럼 Hey you stop 해주나 하지마 왜 잘손대지마 손서서 scratch 나 이번보다 나의 그만해 너만까지 않는 I'm the Barbie 재미없어 나는 집에 갈래 아침부터 난 신데렐라 안녕 bye 잘나긴 말이 나에겐 그 말이 미워 뻔한 순수한 나의 머리가 만세 어둠은 싫어 달콤한 말로는 너에게 맞추려 해 안에 인형 노래 No I wanna have no Barbie, 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 Barbie Don't play me ain't nobody Barbie, 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 Barbie I'm on the greedy Oh Barbie, 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 Barbie I know I look so Barbie, 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 Barbie I'm on the I'm on the I'm on the I'm on the high 찰랑이 내 머리로에겐 그 말이 미워 뻔한 순수한 나의 머리가 만세 어둠은 싫어 달콤한 말로는 너에게 맞추려 해 안에 인형 노래 No I'm on the high no Barbie, Barbie, Barbie Don't play me ain't nobody I'm on the pretty Oh Barbie, 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 Barbie I know I look so Barbie, 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 Barbie I'm on that Right, that's the end of Song of the Month of June. Yeah, I know I didn't like really learn like properly, but I hope that like it's enough. And like I'm going to work full time soon, so I don't really have like time to sing anymore, which kind of sucks. But like I don't know, like if you like my videos, then yeah, like my covers, you know. But like if not, then like it doesn't matter lah. But like I'm quite happy that like like I get to like put out videos. It's just me like singing with like minimal editing. Like bro, I don't even edit like properly for like all these videos. Like I can't edit. I feel so sad. Anyway, June is ending. And Blackpink came out with How you like that? That song. I know everyone hates it, but just saying I kind of like it. Just because bada bing bada boom boom boom, like and the ending is like doom 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 doom, like it's quite trolly, don't you think so? Like it's like a troll song. It's like everyone wants them to like come back and shit, like they talk shit about them, then like they came out with this song like how you like that to like everybody. But like I kind of feel that like it's like a break from like Blackpink's heavy instrumentals, I would say, cause for this one like their chorus is actually unexpected. I thought they would go for like emotional ballad, cause like the front is like quite good. I love the intro. The intro was so good, and like the verses was so good. Then suddenly the chorus hits. Then it hit me. I was like, wait, they didn't go for something that's like in your face. Like it just was like clean and crisp, I would say. I don't know. It just doesn't sound really Blackpink. Like it doesn't sound Blackpink at all, which is very astonishing. But I know Daddy isn't stupid lah, so like I'm pretty sure he did this for a purpose. like maybe to get people talking or some stuff. But honestly, this is just the pre-release, so like I'm looking forward to like Blackpink's like what they will come up with. Like I don't know, since everyone say that they always like put out like similar shit, this time around it's not similar at all. Like the chorus is totally zero. They don't even have a memorable choreography, you know. So yeah. Anyway, I gotta end this video because I gotta go home. So I'll see you next month. Bye.